Hello everyone, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can make a system restore points in Linux OS. It's not a built-in feature in your Linux OS, so let me show you what you need to do in order to get that feature in your OS. First of all, you need to execute this following command. It's called sudo add-apt-repository space -y space ppa colon teejee2008/ppa, and after entering this command it will ask for your computer password and you have to enter it. Once you have done that, you have to enter another command, which is sudo space apt-get space update. This command will update all your existing packages. After that, you need to enter another command, which is the final one, but you should definitely use all of the commands. It's very important. The final command is sudo space apt-get space install space timeshift. Once this command is done, you can just go ahead and open the Timeshifter app in your Linux because the installation is already over. But when we try to open this software, it will ask us for our password, for the verification purpose of course. You don't have to click anything else, just click next and it will estimate your system files for a while. So you have to wait until it's done. And I'm just clicking next again. This is where we have to select the automatic backup. I have chosen the daily backup and click next and finish. And now I'm going to make a system restore point right here. It's called Snapchat in this software. It's more like a system checkpoint. Whenever you mess up with your system, you can always revert back with this option. Making a system checkpoint will take some time, so you have to wait until it's done. So I'm going to make a fast forwarding for you guys, so you guys don't have to wait for that long. As you guys can see, we have created our custom checkpoint. This same software will also take automatic backup every single day, and we will have the backup of last 5 days. That's how I configured it, but you can customize according to your need. If you want to revert back, just click the checkpoint and then you can just click the restore and click next, and you have to wait until it's done and boom, and it will revert back. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.